From the 16th to the 21st of September 2019, Hanover will once again be transformed into the hotspot for production technology. That's when more than 2,000 exhibitors from 37 countries will meet trade visitors from all over the world at the world's leading trade fair for metalworking, EMO Hannover. In July, journalists from over 30 countries were able to take a first look at the topics and offerings of EMO Hannover 2019. In discussions with around 40 exhibitors who presented their companies with an elevator pitch lasting 120 seconds each, the trade fair atmosphere was already in the air. EMO Hannover traditionally covers the entire spectrum of metalworking. As an innovation showcase for the industry, it also bridges the gap between traditional technologies and the technologies of the future. Under the motto, Smart Technologies Driving Tomorrow's Production, this year's focus will be on machine networking in particular.
We
have many innovations in all product areas at EMO, but the topic of digitization is being highlighted, especially the use of data, Industry 4.0, or as we say internationally, IoT. This is certainly an outstanding topic at EMO this year. The preparations of the exhibitors are now in full swing. Both key players and newcomers want to present themselves from their best side.
EMO is a place where you can find all the new things in the market. So for customers, this is very, very important. And the same goes for the manufacturers, for the companies.
I'm looking forward to intensive customer contacts, a lot of interaction, and the opportunity to bring our innovations closer to our customers. Even if you weren't exhibiting, you'd go anyway, because where else can I see the technology trends from all over the world in our industry? For the visitors, it offers the unique opportunity to really see all industries, clamping device manufacturers, machine manufacturers, tool makers, gathered in one place. You can practically assemble your entire process. Visitors from Germany and abroad can be inspired at EMO Hannover 2019 and talk to manufacturers from across the entire industry. This is where the world meets and where visitors meet colleagues they don't often see because they are based in other countries. And I think that's what EMO is all about. It's not only exhibitors and visitors that share this passion. The international trade press will also be strongly represented at EMO Hannover 2019.
If you are in the business and if you're really serious about the business, you have to be a part of EMO Hannover. You have to visit the exhibition, otherwise you cannot claim to be in the business. That's my experience, of course.
And the host is also fully committed to it being an entirely successful event. The countdown is ticking and now it's all about organizing a great trade fair. We're full of anticipation. And with this motivation, we are now heading for the home stretch. If you would like to experience the future of metalworking, come to EMO Hannover in September.